And that was another jam-packed episode put together for your automotive viewing satisfaction. This has been On Extreme, and this has been Artie. Check us out again next Sunday, 11 a.m. only here on Studio 23. In the meantime, I want to turn you over to Mitch and the only supercharged automotive lifestyle show called Hot Wire.
Yeah.
What's up, boys and girls? Today on Hot Wire, it's going to be all about the bling. For the first segment, we're bringing you one of the most popularly tricked out rides in the Philippines, the box type. It's not going to be your average Mitsubishi Lancer though, because we will be bringing you the 1986 Mitsubishi Lancer EX Turbo tricked out rally style. And of course, in the second segment, we drive down to the Mega Trade Hall in SM Mega Mall to check out the car show for enthusiasts by enthusiasts. This is going to be the 18th Transport Show. All that and more in the only supercharged car show in the country today. You are watching Hot Wire.
Benjamin's baby.
What's up, Team Hotwire? Today on the show, we will be bringing you one of the most tricked out cars of our time, a definite classic in the Philippine aftermarket industry, an icon of our times. You know, I'm talking about the cult name when it comes to rally. We're talking about the 1986 Mitsubishi Lancer EX Turbo. Okay guys, and now to meet the proud owner of this 1986 Mitsubishi EX Turbo, we have with us time warping from 23 years back, Mr. Buboy Riosa. Okay Buboy, pare, yung buhok natin, medyo mukhang pinaghandaan mo mabuti yung shoot natin today. Meron ka bang gustong pasalamatan para sa buhok natin?
Yes, of course. Barbershop sa K-Fort. Many things. 50 pesos lang. May libre pang masahe.
Anyway Buboy, etong 1986 na Mitsubishi mo, talagang classic in terms of the Philippine aftermarket industry. Kahit na sinong enthusiast can relate with this car that you have in the background. How did you end up buying or acquiring this specific car?
Well, before I acquired it, talaga, I left my heart in the 80s, Mitch. Diba? Talagang diehard 80s fanatic ako. Itong backside actually is my third already. Kaya lang mga first two, medyo hindi siya maganda and I never had the time na restore siya. So, yung pangatlo ko, kumuha na ako nung ayos na. Then I made a few improvements of myself together with my friends who helped me out along the way. Actually, I got this car from Mr. Robbie David.
Buboy, question lang, sorry, before we proceed, no? Yung affiliation, yung fascination mo for this particular car, 1986 model, I'm assuming nung 1986, tayo halos magkaedad lang, bata pa tayo. Bakit mo nakahiligan itong particular na box type na model?
Bakit? Kasi first car rin namin, actually we had a Mirage. Tapos yung fascination ko sa box type, tatandaan ko kasi siya, ito yung first model na naglabas ng seatbelt. Okay. Tapos interior niya was gray. So yung kotse na yun, father ko, tinatakas-takas ko siya dati.
FYI lang, dati kasi ang mga kotse, nung wala pang seatbelt law,
Wala pa.
yung seatbelt aftermarket yan na option, di ba? Oh.
Kaya very amazed ako nun sa naka-seatbelt kasi yung seatbelt niya, ilak niya, ipe-press mo pa siya dati. Sabi ko, so wow, napaka-advanced na ako, high-tech na yon dati. Tapos may mga may mga RPM reading na, tapos yung aircon. Kasi dati wala pa rin aircon.
Itong particular model na to, itong box type, maraming iba-ibang setup yan. May mga iba pang drag, iba gusto bling-bling, lowered. Ito kumbaga yung nung araw, ito yung parang Honda Civic, na lahat-lahat ng bling nilalagay nila sa auto. Ikaw, you decided to stay true and stick to the whole rally art format. So why don't you share with us kung bakit ganyan yung loyalty mo dito sa ganitong setup?
Why ganito? Bakit rally setup? Kasi yung essence talaga ng rally art, kaya nga rally art yan kasi rally. Diba? Kaya ginawa ko, rally setup na rin.
Why don't you share with us, share with the viewers kung ano specifically yung nilagay? So anong size yung tires, sino gumawa ng roll cage, sino gumawa ng mga dinagdag mo?
Yes, yung tires is 15, size 15 na banana type. Diba? Way back in the 80s, ano yung pinakasikat din, di ba?
Classic na classic.
Oo, mini lights, tapos rally tires. Tapos yung roll cage by FM Garage yan. Then, itong mga mud flaps niya sa mga sponsors ko rin dahil ang hirap na kumuha ngayon. Di ba?
What about yung mga stickering mo? Boy, medyo napapansin ko. Yung stickering mo talagang parang JDM na talagang authentic. Saan mo binasi yan? Meron ka bang model car o ano ba?
Inano ko yan, ni-research ko na lang. Although ito sa harap sa hood, yan talaga. Totoo na may rally no 1986 sa Japan. Saan ko kinuha.
So, authentic tong Rally Japan sticker mo na 1986.
Ito, yung Japanese characters na to, yan, hindi ko alam ibig sabihin.
Ano, hindi mo alam ibig sabihin? Delikado yan bro kasi baka ibig sabihin yan sa Japan taxi, baka bigla kang ipara ng Hapon.
Yan, Mitsubishi Rally Art.
Okay. Papa-authenticate natin pag may mga nanonood sa atin mga Hapon. From the time na nakuha mo siya hanggang dun sa gusto mo na yung pag-setup mo sa kanya, gaano kadaming oras yung inubos mo?
Ako, ayoko nang isipin dahil yung oras nun, months nabot. Tsaka you'll never be happy with your car. Siguro temporarily. Alam mo yan, sa mga enthusiasts, you'll be happy siguro for now. Pero katulad nito, yan current setup niyan, I'm happy right now pero may mga gusto pa rin akong baguhin.
Okay. Ano naman kaya possibly yung gusto mo pang idagdag dito sa napakaganda mong auto?
Dagdag siguro yung sounds na lang. Siguro not an elaborate sound system pero gusto kong system ko yung 80s din.
Okay, Boy. Alam mo, talagang automatic na pag pinag-usapan natin kotse, hindi natin pwede ilayo na syempre mapag-usapan natin mga chicks. Ito bang kotse mo chick magnet?
Yun, unfortunately hindi. Hindi sa chick magnet. Although, you'll get numerous glares sa mga tweeting and stares, di ba? Pero chick magnet, my friends could attest to that, sina B Brothers, hindi tayo mahilig sa chicks eh.
So hindi ka mahilig sa chicks, pero yung chicks palagay ko mahilig sa'yo.
Wala rin hilig mga chicks.
Sige, pag-uusapan na lang namin ni Buboy yan pag wala ng camera para talagang absuelto yung kaibigan natin, ano? Buboy, I can't help also, no, napapansin ko, napakadami nating jet ski sa paligid natin. Ikaw, car enthusiast ka, apart from cars, mahilig ka rin apparently dito sa mga jet ski?
Well, actually anything na tumatakbo. Motor, jet skis, yan, it just so happen, jet skis yan ang core business natin, di ba? We do repairs, sales, service, parts. Tapos,
Baka may mga viewers tayo dyan na may mga jet ski, baka hindi mo sila imbitahan, check out yung shop mo.
yes, please come at 8 Cam Road Cars and Jet Skis, number 8 Kamuning Road, Quezon City. Or call us, the number will flash below your screen. Look for Buboy Riosa.
Okay, Boy. So, yan, may kang jet skihan dito, tapos yung sabi mo mahilig ka sa lahat ng tumatakbo. So, paano pag yung mga chicks natin ang tumatakbo?
Ayun, tumatakbo rin tayo, pero palayo.
Okay. Boy, napag-usapan na lang natin ang takbuhan, ba't hindi natin patakbuhin yung sasakyan mo, pare, para masubukan natin i-test drive? Alright.
Shell Helix Ultra Motor Oil keeps a car clean. Where it really matters. Shell Helix Ultra.